What is good, YouTube? It is Vex, and welcome to the Snow Day vlog. Yeah. Now, if you don't know, I live in the deep south. I'm talking about Louisiana, like really the dirty south. You know what I'm saying? And apparently it snowed today. We gonna have a little quick Snow Day vlog. I don't know exactly what we doing. I think they trying to sled and stuff, but we outside in the cold. If you don't know, I hate the cold. I despise the cold. If the cold had an enemy, I would be the cold's enemy. Cause I don't understand it. Like, people move up north, it be cold and they like it. I don't like it. Keep the snow though. This is I think the deepest it done really got in snow since it snowed in Louisiana. Recently it started snowing a little bit more, but it seemed like it's getting deeper and deeper. Let me know where y'all stay, and did it snow this year for y'all, or did it snow in 2024? Cause I know, you know, it was December not too long ago. Did it snow for you? And then I haven't introduced y'all to everyone yet. You know, if you was over on the Patreon, you seen my older sister. If you on the YouTube channel, you done seen Jalen, or as y'all know him, J-Lo.
J-Lo.
Lopez.
But these are my people, Mama Vex, my sister, and we about to try to sled.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, I think this gonna be ghetto because we ain't really.
Show our little sled device.
Yeah. This looked like it came off a lawnmower.
It's something.
Hey, but you got to be creative. Who going first?
I'm going first.
Should I go first, y'all? He gonna go first.
Yeah, he gonna go first.
He said he gonna go first. I want to see him do it.
You not gonna hold the camera?
He had the other camera.
Jalen,
put your feet out front.
Put your feet. Straddle it, and then Jalen, don't get the thing all wet. Put our booty right there.
Jalen, sit down in it.
I'm feeling old.
Oh Lord, he's feeling old, girl.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Boop, boop. He ain't gonna be able to stop. Oh.
Oh, wait.
You gotta get enough velocity.
I already know how I'm gonna do it, chat. I already know how I'm gonna do it.
Oh,
Dang, you already.
She should have got a waterproof layer. Mom's about to get cold.
I know how I'm about to do it.
How
Y'all
you
ready?
gonna do it?
Y'all go
Maybe he's not
record
heavy
for me?
enough. Yeah. All right.
Big Vex about to go.
Oh no. Oh! Ooh, did I hear a crack? Oh, wipe out. Oh Lord.
Dang.
It looked better in my head.
That wasn't.
Wait, hold on.
Hey,
We done about
Ruined it.
Yeah.
Ain't no snow left. It's okay.
you could go over here, right here.
No, she gonna run right into that tree.
I'm talking about like literally right here.
Oh, I see.
Straight down.
He talking about just on the other side of this branch. You better lay down for this little branch, nick you in the face.
Maybe if I go this way and hold it like this.
Oh,
it got the
Lord.
little-
Oh, like do it, like use it as your tummy, slide down. All right, have fun stopping.
You better go straight.
Kind of stinking.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
It worked.
All right.
Go right here.
Wait, I don't get to do one? Oh wait, Mama hadn't done one yet.
Listen, turn.
I like that one right there.
Okay, you want to try right there, listen?
This is the sister's turn. Attempt
Did you
at.
hold it first?
Yeah, he did like this.
Oh God.
It just went down.
Oh,
Squat down,
Lord.
push forward.
Oh, I'm scared.
You got it, listen.
Oh, rough start. Rough start. Rough start. Hold up.
Like a penguin.
She hitting the Sonic on him. I see you with the Sonic move.
You did it the safest way possible.
I did.
Mama Vex is about to attempt.
Yeah, it's fun.
My hands hurt.
Oh, she just squished. Oh! Oh! Down in the dust.
What are you doing? What if we get a
Like that?
what if we get a plastic bag?
I said that.
Put on it.
Because
You
even
did
on the
say it.
straws, you could slide smoother.
Yeah, let me go get it.
Y'all, last time that it snowed, we literally did it on plastic bags, like the trash bags. But because it's so rugged out here, the bags would tear. But I think if we put a black bag on the bottom of that, it'll make it smoother. And even if it tears, it'll be straight. What y'all think? Let me know. Should we, like, anybody got any DIY, like, snowboarding or, like, I don't even know what it's called. Belly sliding. It looked like a winter wonderland out here, low key though. I think she got the trash bags, y'all.
Let's see how I'm gonna go.
All right. It. But the trash bags we had last time was big too.
Yeah, I had to get 2.
It'll be good though.
It's gonna do what it do. Oh, I know where
An old trash bag?
I know where a big one is.
Oh.
I just thought, cause this won't even fit.
I really didn't expect it to be this much snow.
I thought it was gonna be ice, but no, this is not ice. This is actual
ice.
Huh?
It's fluffy ice.
Yeah.
Oh, this snow.
That's what she's saying. It's fluffy ice. That's snow. Like a snowball. Fluffy ice. Have y'all ever went skiing or snowboarding? I kind of want to go, not gonna lie. I feel like I'd be really good just from my athletic background.
All in your feet.
Am I crazy, y'all?
Yes, you crazy.
No gloves either.
Crocs on. No gloves.
My inner body feel good.
Warm.
I don't feel cold.
Yeah,
Y'all,
I
the
don't
feet
feel cold.
ain't
But my
down.
feet,
My
I got,
face is a little cold.
I got
got
2
the-
pairs of socks too.
White shoes
Yeah.
to match the jacket. The hat. Okay, okay. Let me see the fit. Chill, chill, chill.
Chill, chill, just fit check. 360.
And then, here. You know, came a little bit. Turn the camera so you can see it.
Oh yeah.
You need a plastic like outer layer, like something out of.
Yeah. Deflect
from
the
getting
snow.
wet.
Yeah.
Fit check. Got the shoes, the
I also
Crocs.
got pants under here, so I got 2 layers of pants. You know, jacket.
But that's how we do in Louisiana. You just everybody just wear their pajamas.
Came trim. Matching hat.
Yeah.
Right. I'm like,
There you go. Yeah.
Oh Lord, she got the bag. Yeah. Yeah.
This the song that's been on repeat for me, y'all. Smile, Morgan Wallen. Banger. That bit is so cold. We finally got the trash bag, the big trash bag.
y'all feel like
Industrial.
the snow crunch and solidify under your feet whenever you step.
Yeah.
Boy, this is about to be fire. It's already sliding.
I can't even hold it.
I'm gonna go back right there.
Oh, geez. Yeah, where you going?
Dang.
I'm going right here.
Everything.
You gonna jump? Or
Oh my. You goofball.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Dang. Why would he do that, y'all?
Hey, I got a good slide.
You did.
Yeah. I'm not no bite.
It hurt?
I thought he was gonna slip back. Uh-oh.
No.
Ooh, that's a sticker
Wait.
bush.
No. This gonna rip the bag.
Yeah.
All right.
Y'all ready?
Yup.
Hold on. I'm about to do this.
Somebody push it. Watch that ditch.
But you don't even get that far.
Yeah. I knew it. I told her the trash bag is the method.
What about over there?
Yeah, I wanted to do it over there. I'm gonna try to get one with the camera in my hand.
Yeah, all right. Oh, you gonna try to hold the camera? It seems like that.
Yeah, I want to take them with me. Y'all want to come with me, right? Right? Why you acting like you don't want to come? Why you acting like you don't want to come with me? Come with me, bro. Dang. She almost went all the way in the ditch.
Oh, yeah, don't go in there. It's got water down there. Yeah.
I'm gonna show y'all the path that I'm gonna take now that we got this trash bag on there. We gonna slide down here, right? Boom, boom, boom. Then when we get right here to this edge, I'm gonna curve over there.
Curve?
Yeah. These is coming.
Let's
JJ said he's gonna turn and go that way.
Yeah.
We gonna see. You heard me, Jay?
Which way y'all went? This way? Y'all ready? Nah, don't act scared now. We about to go down. You acting like a little kid on a roller coaster. We about to go. Don't act scared now. Y'all ready? Should I go forward?
Yeah, just sit down.
Like camera forward or this way? Towards me?
Do both. You gotta get on there more than
Yeah.
once.
We gonna do both. Y'all ready? Oh! I tried to lean. It didn't lean.
Sit right here and like go down this. Wait, hold on.
Okay, so listen. This how you get more speed. If you ball up, it's like paper. When you lay a piece, when you throw a piece of paper in the air and it's not crumpled, it goes slow. You ball it up, it'll go.
So I
quick,
need to be on my knees.
less
No.
air resistance. No,
No.
like do like this.
Backwards, like.
No, sit down
You don't have to
and just hold your feet up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Don't
okay.
be spread out like this.
Yeah.
Curl it like that.
All right. Somebody push me.
All right.
Go, go.
Now try this side.
Yeah, that side look a little bit better. I ain't gonna lie.
Be comfortable in there. Ready?
Oh! Ah! We was right here at the ditch, y'all. It was bad. I wasn't gonna hop off either. Bro, do y'all see this? This where like water and stuff be.
Branches would have stopped.
Could have been bad. Could have ended bad.
Y'all wanna do a little nature walk?
I don't mind.
Let's get that one more time, JJ.
Me?
Yep.
Okay.
More than one person want to go?
I could go.
Oh, we could go. You could go in front of me.
If that's the case. Wait. Hold on.
You go in front of me, sit in front of me, and I'll sit on there.
Not you. Let's go record.
Stand up in the front. You going or you me?
You.
Okay.
I do.
Yep.
Y'all, I'm not a good.
All right.
I ain't
Y'all ready?
Count it down when you're ready.
Jalen, lean back and hold your feet up.
Oh, hold on.
Lean your feet up, Jalen. Ready? Go. Oh! That was good.
What was that episode of SpongeBob where he had that pencil? And he was like,
Yeah.
dang, my hand's getting cold.
Yeah, me too.
Let's go on a walk before
Like brick. We tearing this up right here.
Yeah, we
Wearing
are.
this out.
Yeah.
We're going on a walk over there or over there?
Wherever you want, Jalen.
Over there.
My feet starting to get a little chill.
My feet good.
Ooh.
Look at her. She going again. She trying to sled everywhere possible.
I say, over there, it's a little smaller, but
She should slide off that.
Like dangerous all.
Yeah, that's dangerous right
You
there.
got branches,
Rocks,
rocks.
probably tree stumps somewhere
All right.
that you just can't see.
Imagine trying to like slave times, trying to run away in the cold, and somebody right there, and you can't even escape it.
Right.
Where's Jalen going?
Oh, he wants us to follow him. We can't even see the ground. We gonna step in something crazy. Can't barely see the ground.
Where you going? Now, if you slip,
Y'all ready?
he jump over there and slip.
Wait, you can't. I ain't jumping.
I could come back.
Ain't there an easier way? Jalen.
Wait, I did it. Me and Willie did
I
it.
know. But
In the snow?
right now, you didn't do it with snow. Look.
Daredevil. Daredevil.
Snow.
No.
Jalen.
Hospital.
Hospital. And it's got water down there.
You gonna be cold.
Daredevil.
Super
All
cold.
right, Jalen. Oh.
And he expect everybody else to get that
No,
same
he
thing.
did not expect to do that.
I'm a big brother. I can't let him what? y'all don't know this, but in my head, I was thinking, for the vlog, I feel like this not gonna go good.
Wait, listen. Are you really talking and then gonna go?
I know, listen, not
I want to try.
Don't try.
Listen, no.
Ma, that remind me of my childhood right there.
No, I'm just saying, like.
How you feel?
That was good.
Almost hit the dust.
Another one bites the dust.
I blame it on the Crocs, y'all. I've been slipping on the snow. Everybody else ain't been slipping.
I've been slipping too.
And the crazy thing is, y'all, when we was little, we actually used to come back here and stuff like that. We used to jump across this all of the time. They got like a pond further over there. But
I feel you, Jay. Imagine trying the wrong way in the snow.
over with.
I'm thinking about homeless people.
Hide and go seek.
They
Yeah.
got a place for them now.
Yeah, but if you didn't, that'd be crazy.
Yeah. Cause what if you don't want to go with them people? You don't know what their intentions is.
Right.
They be scooping homeless people up and
Left and right.
taking them to jail and stuff. Y'all, this is fun. I'm low-key starting to forget it's cold.
Yeah.
Maybe
don't feel cold.
that happened. Whenever you out in the cold for a while, your body kind of adapts.
Well, my toes and my fingers still remember it's cold. You just gotta have the right stuff on. You just gotta have the right outfit.
I don't got the right stuff on.
I got mostly the right stuff on. You feel okay?
Chat, my feet are cold. I got that one. I got that one. Help me!
That should be
I'm a safety concern right now.
never wear Crocs.
Crocs, if you want to sponsor me, make some snow Crocs. Next time I'll wear them in the snow.
They probably got some.
What's the name? Oh, look at that yard. That's so cool.
Yeah, they got a large yard.
They playing too. Look at them.
Yeah. What is this called?
It must take a lot of snow for the snow on the road to stay.
Must be.
What neighborhood is this over here?
The next one over.
It's kind of farther
It's
over.
kind of far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To
Came
actually,
a long way and you don't even know. If you go on the highway,
And the road
it's a good
take a
bit.
while.
It's a good bit.
Yeah.
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 all right, you ready to hike back?
Yeah. We used to walk around this whole neighborhood like one or two times. Cause
How long is it?
RJ stayed over here. Y'all, it's good to get out as like a unit and do
your
stuff like
footprints
this.
everywhere.
Yeah, they'll catch you quick. How you cover up your footprints?
You need a bird like they did in the Lion King. A bird sweeping snow onto your footprints.
But I was saying, it's good to get out and do stuff like this. I'm glad that I moved back home so I could experience stuff like this. Cause if I was by myself, I wouldn't have went outside. Yeah. No, I wasn't working that long. I was just trying to finish some videos.
Crocs.
Had to focus up. Had to focus up. I seen people in Louisiana making snowmen and stuff.
I want you to do that dance like bow, 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 bow.
Oh,
I think that on
jig.
somewhere.
Yeah, jig it.
Here.
Bow, bow, bow. Hey.
Hold on.
Hey, hey, oh, hey, hey, oh, hey, oh.
Okay. Kitchen eat.
Snow? Yeah. Put some bread. You get a stick.
Y'all.
I'm sure how it's done.
My mama eating pigeons, y'all.
Get a plank, right?
Yeah.
We ain't got none
A
yet.
stick.
Do we got a plank?
And tie a string around it and be in the house. You gotta have a window. That's how we did it. So they couldn't see us.
Well,
And then we pull the string and pow!
we don't got access to
Lunch.
our windows.
You about to kill
Wait.
the bird?
So you telling me, like in like a what is it?
Calvin.
How you cooked it?
We
You
skinned
grilled
it,
them or
gut
you
it.
fried them?
So you telling me like y'all was setting up
Fried bird? I ain't
Tom
never
and
had fried
Jerry
bird.
level
Tom
traps?
and Jerry.
How did it end up
Look
clean?
like that.
What?
Got your stick. You watch them birds. Get that bread. Pow!
And the
It
little
died. Just the one. Knock them out.
It don't knock them. I thought it just knocked them out. You gotta kill them actually.
Yeah.
y'all was
they
wringing
be
their
done
neck
for.
after, or y'all let grandpa do it? I'm talking
You
about after
chop
they
it.
knocked out.
Get a knife.
Chop the head off?
Yeah.
Like pigeons?
Like
No.
chicken, like a chicken.
Like a bird.
Oh, like a real bird.
A
like-
real bird. Black bird.
This
Oh.
is a nice place too.
Mama,
Yeah, that might be a little nice, but
Yeah, let's go get
it look a little sketchy down there.
Stop stepping.
I could get a running start on that too.
mama, y'all said that.
Ruining it up, huh, Lissa?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me go get the thing. On this,
Mama, you about to show us how to kill a bird?
no, we ain't got no plank.
Oh. Because you said, let me show y'all how it's done. I was like, wait, hold up. Catch your body.
You thought you was about to witness a murder, huh?
Jalen, you look like off them tissue commercials. His nose all pink. You know which one I'm talking about?
Yeah. If y'all remember them OG Kleenex, do they still do them?
I don't know. I don't really watch.
I remember watching TV. Them old school Kleenex commercials with the little red nose. Yeah.
She had that
The little pink nose, and then she'll get the little tissue in. We about to try to sled right here, y'all. Cause it's a little patch right here. I say I could get a little running start. What's up?
Let's see how it's gonna work.
Who going? You wanna go, Jayla?
Yeah.
Let's see how this
Feel
goes.
better about crashing into the fence.
Yeah, the bag a little toe up, but it's straight.
Yeah. What you gonna do?
Right.
Laying on it?
Trying to start in
Laying? Lay?
whatever happens.
Oh, wait. Are you in the rock?
Nah, he on that. It turned the grass right there.
Somebody push me, please.
And then don't get the thing off.
You over it.
Maybe not.
Let me try.
Yeah, I'm a little bit lighter.
Let me try.
All right. Lucy, you got the camera?
Yeah. You'll go faster the heavier you are.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm a little bit lighter.
Oh, he's gonna try like that.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh.
This man
This,
here.
Uh-oh. Didn't go
Maybe it's just
nowhere.
not as good.
It's not as good.
Not good enough.
Not good
The
enough.
other one was better. The heel looked like it's low.
It did look like it'll. Maybe it's because it's not steep enough.
Yeah, it's just not steep enough.
Jay.
Cause it kind of go up a little bit right where I stopped.
Yeah.
We tried it. You go try, Alyssa?
Yeah, but I'm gonna get a little closer. Like on top where
Yeah.
You're so cooked.
it's gonna work. It's still flat.
Slide on them tops in case it's flat.
It's cause they rubber.
Sure, I got you. Oh,
And then
Jalen,
don't get the thing off.
Anticlimactic. Dang.
oh, look, it ain't gonna
It's
work.
blurry, y'all. I'm sorry. That was still funny though.
Why? The number of accidents being reported is increasing.
Why everybody out?
They just did an Amber Alert. A
That's just Amber Alert is crazy. That mean they trying to make sure everybody know get off the street.
My thing was like, bah.
I heard it. That's what I just got. Must have been. Something was ringing in my pocket.
Yeah, everybody got it.
You gotta do it
Yeah.
more rigorous. Do your feet. Push in there. Good. Your arms doing a little high.
High. Your arms high.
I need them.
No.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Taylor. Yeah, that's better.
Why are you doing it like a robot? Rated snowman that he just ruined. I rated 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
If you would have got up carefully, it might have the left side good.
Yeah.
Show y'all how to do this noise.
Oh Lord.
All this stuff.
Uh-oh. There you go.
Get up in there. Get up in there.
Nah, that's a good one.
She done did this before.
I didn't play
All
these
right.
games before.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, you've been good. Rate the Angel 1 out of 10. I'm giving that a 9.5.
Yeah, 9.
10. 10 out of 10 on this one.
Like a butterfly.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Oh, here we
Yeah. You gonna have to steal the show.
He gonna ruin mine.
In the process.
Let's go.
The feet. It's the feet.
Yeah, the feet gotta go
Spread
wider.
the feet wider.
Can't, I got like this.
You got long johns under there.
That's good.
That's good. That's good. I get
Come here.
a 7.5 out of 10.
A ditch right there.
It's good.
I rated like an 8.
8. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That's good.
You can even see the head, Angel.
I see that.
Yeah.
That's good. Uh-huh.
Jalen without long johns and 2 other pair of pants, I get at a 9. But
wanna steal the show,
due to
bro?
constrictions, you gotta go 7.5 out of 10.
I'm done, Jalen.
Yeah, y'all, it looked like I'm done too. These Crocs was not a good idea. Feet cold,
His toes.
hands cold, but it was a lot of fun had. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Next up, I think I'm gonna try to do some mukbangs with the family. Each individual person, favorite meal. Y'all let me know some questions.
My favorite meal is lobster.
Lobster?
I'm
gonna have to do lobster.
I'm playing.
My favorite food is jambalaya, but I'm gonna do Cane's for the sake of it, or Popeyes.
Okay. We did Cane's already.
Well, Popeyes. I
Popeyes?
want to do jambalaya because I wanna get the ASMR.
Yeah, we're gonna do Q&As next. I'm gonna do a YouTube community post and maybe even like in the Instagram group chat, ask y'all to ask us questions. So y'all stay tuned. If you're not in the Instagram group chat, add me on Instagram and let me know that you want to be in the group chat, and I'll add you to be a part of the community. And we got a Discord. So until next time.
She got snow on her outfit.